everyone, welcome back to another James Fix It episode. Today we're taking lighting performance on my 2005 Acura RSX to the next level with a full LED light upgrade from Oxilam. Low beam and high beam headlights, and we'll even give the reverse lighting a huge upgrade. These LEDs absolutely blow old halogen bulbs out of the water, and you're going to see the difference for yourself in today's video. And by the way, right now you can save 20% by using my coupon code JAMESFIXIT. Links and details are down below. Low beam headlight install. Let's start with the low beams. Oxilam sent over their H1 LED upgrade. These are rated at 800% ultra brightness, 6500K color, and a combined 18,000 lumens per pair. They're compact, canvas error free, and the best part, the design is basically the same size as the stock OEM bulb. No bulky fans, no oversized heatsink, just simple plug and play. You get a full aviation aluminum body, 12 high-power CSP chips, and a perfect light pattern that won't blind oncoming drivers, keeping the full light power on where you need it most. On the RSX, accessing the low beams is pretty simple. Just unplug the connector, pull off the rubber seal, and remove the metal adapter clip. Once that's out of the way, the halogen bulb pulls straight out. Installation is just as straightforward. Insert the new Oxilam H1 LED. Avoid touching the LED chips directly. Reinstall the adapter and clip, put the rubber seal back on, reconnect the harness, and you're done. Here's the before shot with the original halogen, super yellow, really dull output, and honestly, nighttime visibility was pretty terrible. And here's the Oxilam LED low beam. Just look at that difference. The beam is crisp, bright, and actually lights up the road superbly. High beam headlight install. Next up, let's jump into the high beams. These are Oxilam's P29005 LED bulbs, a massive 36,000 lumens, ultra focused light pattern, and long 50,000 hour lifespan. These also feature a compact aviation aluminum body and an integrated cooling fan to keep temperatures stable for years of service. Oxilam even includes installation gloves so you don't actually get oils on the LEDs. On the RSX, your high beams sit next to the low beams. Just unplug the connector, twist the old bulb counterclockwise, and it pulls right out. To install the new P2 LED, line up the tabs, insert at an angle, twist clockwise until it locks into place. Reconnect the wiring harness, and that's literally it. One of the easiest installs you'll ever do. Here's the old halogen high beam, not very impressive. Now look at the Oxilam P2 LEDs, ultra white, super focused, and these things light up the road way down range. Driving on 100% dark back roads is no longer a guessing game. Reverse light install. And finally, we're upgrading reverse visibility with Oxilam's 2024 upgraded T15, 912, and 921 reverse bulbs. These push out 1100 lumens, run at 6000K ultra white, and use a 34 LED chipset wrapped around the entire bulb housing for full 360-degree lighting. These are non-polarity, canvas friendly, and the same size as stock, so installation is a breeze. Accessing the RSX reverse lights requires popping off a piece of interior trim. Once that's out of the way, locate the reverse bulb socket, twist it in a quarter turn, and unplug the old halogen from the connector. Check out the difference in lighting technology here. Now, let's plug in the new Oxilam LED. Slide it back into the factory housing, twist to lock it in, and reinstall the trim. Here's the old halogen reverse bulb, dim, yellow, and barely useful. And now the Oxilam LED. Huge upgrade. The hyper white output actually lights up the driveway, parking spot, or any tight space you need to back into. Closing thoughts. So after installing all three of these Oxilam LED upgrades, low beams, high beams, and reverse bulbs, the improvement is honestly night and day. The install is simple, everything fits perfectly, and visibility in real driving conditions is massively improved. Don't forget, you can save 20% by using my code JamesFixIt at checkout on the Oxilam website. All the links to the bulbs featured today are down in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have questions about the install or lighting on your RSX or any vehicle for that matter, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future upgrades and fixes. Thanks for watching another James Fix It episode. I'll see you on the next one.